Hello, Sara. How are you today?
Hello, Ahmed. I am fine. Thank you. How are you?
I am good. I am happy today
That's great. Why are you happy?
because I am learning English.
Oh, me too. I am learning English every day.
Yes, my name is Ahmed. Nice to meet you, Sara.
My name is Sarah, and your name is Ahmed, right?
Where are you from, Sara?
Nice to meet you too, Ahmed.
I am from Pakistan.
I am from India. And where are you from?
Yes, neighbors and now friends.
Wow, that's nice. We are neighbors.
Do you like English?
Yes, neighbors and now friends.
That's true. English is very important.
Yes, I like English. It is an international language.
How do you learn English?
Yes, English helps us to talk to people everywhere.
That's a good method.
I watch English videos. I listen and I repeat.
I practice speaking with friends.
Yes, what about you? How do you learn?
What do you do every day?
Oh, nice. Speaking practice is very useful.
Wow, that's good practice.
I read books. I listen to English songs.
What is your favorite English word?
And I watch English movies.
Oh, that's beautiful. Smile is a nice word.
Yes, it helps me to improve.
My favorite word is friend.
My favorite word is smile.
My name is Ahmed.
My name is Sarah.
I am from Pakistan.
I am from India.
Let's ask each other questions.
My hobby is cooking. I like to cook new food.
My hobby is reading. I like books. And you?
Me too. I like tea more than coffee.
Oh wow, that's interesting.
Blue and green, good colors.
I drink tea every morning.
Yes, I love music.
Tea is simple and good.
I like soft music. And you?
My favorite color is green. By Sara.
By Ahmed.